got some foaming agent in it. I forget what it's called. It says on the lid what it's called. I think it's called like Quillia. I forget what it's called. Whenever you want.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, it's getting a bit dark, isn't it? Yeah, it does.
Miley Tunnel is an old and abandoned train line in central Lancashire, which was opened in 1840 by the Preston and Longridge Railway Company and runs north from the Ship Inn into Deepdale. It first opened as part of a train line running from Preston towards Longridge and served the people of Preston for almost 100 years, but by 1930 buses were proving to be the most popular form of public transportation, and the line closed its doors to the public forever. It did continue, however, to be used as a freight line before finally closing permanently in 1980. Local legend says that Miley Tunnel is now haunted by the ghost of the Grey Lady. The story goes that the young girl was killed in the 1870s when a man on the train grabbed her hand and she accidentally fell from the platform under the wheels of the train. Ever since, in the early evening, there has been reports of the Grey Lady wandering the tracks in search of the man who had killed her. One such report comes from a man called Joseph Stashko, who said that him and his friend were exploring the tracks when all of a sudden there was something in the distance. Showing his camera footage, they saw an explainable blue light wandering across the tunnel. There was no way for light to enter the tunnel, no cracks or anything like that, and when they went to go back, the light was nowhere to be seen. But you guys know me. Where there's paranormal stuff, you're sure to find me. So we suited up with a GoPro and checked it out.
We're in. It is meant to be haunted, this place. Look at all this cool shit though. What the fuck is that? It's probably like, I know, right, should we keep moving then? Wait, Johnny, is this the open air bit? So it's 826 yards long, is that? What? No way. Alright. Okay, I need it because I'm using the GoPro. Johnny! No, it doesn't. Yeah, that blood on it. Just put it down. Right. I know. Nothing's going to happen now. Holy shit, half a chair. It'd be great if we found like a football or something. Nah, I've seen. You know where? Oh, what the fuck is that? Is that a flat? Yeah, that it's been used. Yeah. Only Johnny would fucking care about the strongbow. Johnny, get the other torch on so we can see down. Oh, it's just a... Yeah, I think so actually. Look how sick this is though. You have to just look at the Victorian architecture that went into it. Like, for how long? Troy Day 19. Johnny, it's a fucking can. Oh, there's an old. Here, Johnny. Here's a really old can for you, a deodorant. There you go, Johnny. Are you through that? Are you through that? No. No. I know, that's fucking... Right. What the fuck is that? I've got the torch on it. Damn it, I think this is the open air section. It is! Johnny, this is the open area. Big aid. It's water. Right, let's keep moving. I just want to explore the place. Seriously. What the fuck is that? It's like fucking Kinder bonbons. Because that is a piece of metal. Guys. Piece of metal. No. It's like tin or something. What the fuck is that? Scrambled egg? Watch there be fucking asbestos in it. Yeah. Well, did they use it? I know the old buildings used to have it, but why did they use it? Yeah. The King was here, 2019. The King was here, Harry. Yeah, I do too. I know. But once you're in, Pete Rizzo Dizzo. That's nice. Oh, fucking hell, half a brick. Wait, is that a brick? No, it's an oil can. Pack of Haribos. It's a fucking hole in it. Yeah, Johnny, I'm not retarded. Is it actually down there? John. Oh shit, there is a light. Yeah, I think it is. No, that's not people, it's just lit up. Fucking eggs. What the fuck off a tree? Oh Jamie, there's some cool trainers for you. No, there's nobody there. Just get some photos. I don't know why I have to click twice. Johnny, there's another cam there for you, why don't Johnny, that's nobody. Who's to say if it is somebody? It's not going to be like police or anything, is it? If anything, it's going to be other explorers. That's the flooded area. Should we go have a look? Yeah, Johnny, I told you it was boxed off. Oh no, it's not. We're out into daylight. Well, it's... No, just... It's raining. Shit. This must be the end. Oh shit, no it's not. It's not true. Oh, right then. Oh, this must be the two portals, Johnny. Let's get a picture. What? At the other end. We're obviously not at the end of the tunnel yet. Right, that's shit quality, I'm not doing that. What? Pardon? Wait, should we get a picture? Should we get a picture? It's quite cool. When? No, it's, well, it's 826 yards long. So, yeah, we have come quite a way. I'd say we've come maybe 600. What's that about? Yeah, it's water. It sounded like... Yeah, I know. Yeah, we can't be quiet really, don't we? Oh shit. Oh fucking hell, what are they? Oh, I thought they were bats. Shh. Oh, it's pigeons. Fucking birds. Yeah, this looks like the end of the tunnel, Johnny. Yeah, it's flooded here. Hi, pigeon. How are you doing? This is the end, look, it's literally right there. That's... We can't go this way. No, that's the... There's no way out, that's where it's flooded, down there. Oh, look, there's solar panels down there. We can walk to it. Let's go and look up. Oh, it smells of shit. come you climbed over there? Fucking hell. Go, go, go. That's not us. It's just someone across the road. Shit. Get down. Fuck, is that gate locked?
In this particular expedition, we didn't see anything of interest except one thing, which was in a picture I took. So if you guys don't remember, earlier in the footage I took my phone out to take a picture of the tunnel, and this is the picture. I'll show it you right now. Now, we have had a look at this picture because, and when I reviewed the footage, I did make sure to check this picture. So here you can see, one sec actually, I'm gonna go into, alright, so here we are. Oh, sorry, that's the start of the project. Here we are, this is the picture in question. Jesus Christ, you don't want to listen to that. And we can get it up here. So here is Johnny, who's one of the guys that was with us. You can notify him by his bright orange trainers. And then here's the other guy that was with us. And Harry, who's been in a few stories, is right here. And this is something we saw. And it's definitely not Harry, because Harry was wearing black, not grey. And Harry is here. You can see, because there's his feet down here, and his body would go up like this, not out like that. So we saw this, and it's a grey figure. Now, I don't know if this is meant to be the Grey Lady. I did hear some like breathing noises. There was the stone that was thrown at the start. Yeah, it's all very strange. There's this grey figure, and honestly, that's the best photo we took. I may do a second run to go and see if we can find anything better on a different run, but hopefully that's the best thing we've seen so far, because Harry's here with his shitty trainers, and then there's this figure, which could actually be just the shit lighting playing with Johnny here, but it looks doubtable. I'm not gonna say this is very conclusive evidence, but there's definitely something going on.